Yes, they are being donated by me to people in Ukraine who's currently right now defending the country from the aggressor. I got these two cars a while back. It's been, yeah, it's been decent amount of time. So my intention was repair these cars, these two things. You see, they even look the same. This one is a little more dirtier. It was sitting under the tree before than this one. My intention was to repair them both, and then obviously either use them or sell them. But they both run. They both start, even though the battery is dead on each one of them, I think. Anyway, this car, if I remember correctly, has a misfire on cylinder number 4. I'm thinking it's probably engine head gasket. And this one right here has a problem, delayed problem. Why I say delayed is because the radiator start mixing transmission fluid and coolant together. So obviously all the coolant is getting into transmission. So just a matter of time before transmission will stop shifting at all. Other than that, these cars are both 2004, both decently equipped and very good equipped, especially for its age. And I think that one has a remote start, which is a good thing in winter. You see, even the tire is flat. So I need to put air in this tire and the rear too. All right, I have a pump somewhere. I'm gonna put air in the tire, in tires of this car, and then whatever, start that car. I'm gonna move them out. I'm gonna introduce these cars to you a little bit more. See, this was a nice option in 2004. I think the other vehicle that had these from this brand was Denali, any Denali trip. This is not Denali, but pretty equipped. All right, let me get the pump. Actually, let me see if the battery's still good. I think at one point it lasted a long time. Oh, once we're here, straight 6 4.2 engine. Doesn't have a lot of power, but decent amount of torque. And one thing that I hate about most of the GM vehicles is battery with side terminals. It's not on top, it's on the side. They suck. Okay, let's see. How this works. I guess I got the wrong key. Now I have to go look for the right one. Too many of these cars. Four envoys here. Finally. Now what? There we go. I forgot. I changed the computers thinking that that car is going to need a computer just to try it out. And now I forgot that I have to start process of programming this computer with ignition, blah, 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 blah. All right, 35 minutes later. Good thing I got 2 of these. Let's try this one. it's not one thing, then it's another. This booster is weak. Okay, let me take the booster off of this one and do 2. How am I gonna do 2? That's exactly why I don't like these side terminals. Oops. Let's turn this off. I'll do it like this. This one is going on this. This one is going on this. This one is going like this, and this one. Okay, let's try now. No power. I hate side terminals for this reason. Let it roll, let it roll, let it roll. So the way this works, something that sometimes you have to search for information like that. You have to spend about 10 minutes. Like you put the ignition key in, you turn the ignition as if you wanted to start and just let it go and leave it as if ignition was just on for 10 minutes. In 10 minutes, you turn it off and on again, just like as if you wanted to start it. Again 10 minutes, then off, on as if you wanted to start it. Then you turn it off, I think, for a minute or so, and then you start it. It's, I don't know, ridiculous system, but that's how the system works. All right, the time is going. Now this car is on. See, only took me 30 minutes. A little bit more than 30 minutes. I got all this, everything here. That one is running, this one is running. This one has flat tires, so I'm gonna use a little hand pump. Let's take these off. We'll deal with this later. Now I need to put air in all those tires. Whatever tires that are flat. Again, side terminals. I hate them. Okay. I'm gonna turn the engine off here for now. I don't really need it right at this minute anymore. I actually needed it where it is right now. I have to unload it. Now I have to move this one, but I still have one flat tire. I'm looking for an outlet. Sometimes they are back here. Besides all kinds of junk and spider web. But sometimes means sometimes, and I don't find anything here. Sometimes these cars have a compressor built inside, and you know, like in here. But not this car. Alright, so I'm gonna go towards the second row. Since this car is running now, I'm gonna try to use this pump. Second row, yeah, you cannot get to that. So I'm gonna get to the front. Let's see. It used to be a nice flower. Haha, I'm joking. By the way, why am I doing this? What's going on with these cars? Well, tomorrow they are going away. All right, time to pull this out. Okay. Off we go. I moved it in the winter before, and the water was freezing up, I guess, or the coolant, whatever it was. Now it moves a lot better. Okay, that's it for now. Look at this, it starts right away by itself. So, all jokes aside, as I was saying, where are these cars going? They're leaving tomorrow. Tomorrow morning, 9 o'clock, a driver is picking them up. Truck driver. They're going to port in New Jersey. Why are they going to New Jersey? Because this is the sad part. Not for the cars, but for what's going on. They're leaving on the ship. They're getting loaded up in the container. They're leaving on the ship. And they're gonna go to one of the European countries, one of the closest open European countries to Ukraine. Yes, they are being donated by me to people in Ukraine who's currently right now defending the country from the aggressor. And as of today, it's been I think like 3 months now, full ongoing war on the territory of Ukraine. And they learn how to fight. They really learn how to do their job. And it just happened to be that they are more mobile if they use SUVs like this. And it just happened to be that American-made trucks, the ones that are made with a frame, these trucks, they have full frame. All-wheel drive or four-wheel drive, doesn't matter. They actually save these people and help them be more resultative in what they do. The weapons that they use, they're being donated and sold by other countries, the manufacturers, you name it. They work great, but they need to be more mobile and be able to get something in, something out of something that has a trunk. They prefer pickup trucks, but I have these SUVs and I'm sure it will do just fine. So, I'm happy that these two vehicles are going for good cause. You know what? I'm not gonna lose the whole world here if I'm just gonna give these away. But I hope that they're not gonna lose any part of their world. Of course, I will try to post more information as things are going about these vehicles, when they get there, whatever. Anything that I'll be able to obtain in order to fulfill all of you about what's going on with these. I will try to do cutaways in my next videos, if it's going to be only very small segments. If I'm going to have a lot more information that I'm going to be able to make a whole video, I will make a whole video. See, it's getting darker. I have some parts in these two cars that I have to unload and actually put something else. I have some parts for these vehicles so that they can repair it over there. They're very good at all of this stuff. Whatever you give them to repair, they will. We throw a lot of stuff away here. They repair a lot of things that we throw away. So yeah, I have to load up a couple of more parts for them. That's basically it. I don't have that much time left. But please, do not lose the track of my channel. I always, besides all the entertaining stuff, I will be posting things like this. We will all participate, and you guys supporting me by commenting, liking, sharing, and of course subscribing to my channel. Thank you very much. Not the best weather today, rainy, but here they are. Okay, ready to go. Bye bye. See you on another continent.